exercise 2.2 is find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Polynomial is given at x equal to 0. So what does it mean कि आपको x को 0 put करना है और आपको polynomial की value find out करनी है, right? आपको what the expression is given 5x minus 4x square plus 3 polynomial is given. Here you are to find out the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0. Firstly, we'll put x equal to 0. So just put the value as x equal to 0, right? So 5 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. So what will be the value here? 3, yes. Next, we are to put x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. X के place पे minus 1. Then 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. Because power is even, so it will be positive. Plus 3, right? So minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 4, right? Minus 5 minus 4, okay, I took 5, wait. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9, minus 9 plus 3, it's not, it will be minus 6, right? So minus 6 is the value when x is equal to minus 1. Next is x is equal to 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2, 10 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 16 plus 3, right? Add positive numbers, 13 minus 16 is equal to minus 3. That is when x is equal to 2, then the value of the given polynomial is minus 3, right? Next question is second, find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomials. You have given 4 polynomials and here you are to find out the values. Firstly, P0 that means आपको variable के place पे 0 रखना है. P1 that means then 1. P2 that means variable के place पे 2. As we have given here, the equation, first equation is Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1, right? So firstly, we are to find out P0. P0, what does it show? That y के place पे क्या रखना है? 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 1. What will be the answer here? 1. Next, you have to put here 1. What will be P1 then? Let's put 1 now. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Again 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 is again 1. Right? Let's find out P2 now. P2. Y के place पे 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Right? So P0 1, P1 1, P2 3. It means हमने x variable के place पे values put करी है 0, 1 and 2. Then we will find out the value of the polynomial. Next question, third, is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Right? आपको बताना है कि जो verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. The expression is given and value of variable is given. You are to tell that value is the zero of the polynomial or not. Firstly, let's understand what is the zero of the polynomial. As we have done earlier equation also, like if let's take an example for it. 2x plus 5, sorry 10, 2x plus 10. ठीक है, this is the polynomial with the variable x. If I put 0 here, 2 into 0 plus 10 is equal to 10, right? If I put 1 here, then I'll get 2 plus 10, 20. Like this. Okay, I will get some value if I put the any value of variable. कोई भी variable की value put करोगे. Variables are like containers कि आप जिसमें कोई भी value put कर सकते हो. और आप different values put करोगे तो answer भी different आएंगे. So here, if I put x is equal to -5, so what I will get? -10 plus 10 is equal to 0 here. ठीक है? It will be 0 here. So what does it mean? As we put -5, we get 0. So we'll say that -5 is the zeros of the polynomial. जैसे हम सॉल्यूशन करते थे, कि 2x plus 10 को 0 के इक्वल रख दो. 2x is equal to -10. x is equal to -10 upon 2 is equal to -5. So x की वैल्यू आई -5. इट मीन्स जब आप x के प्लेस पे -5 रखोगे तो पॉलिनोमियल क्या हो जाएगा? 0. So that's why this is called zeros of the polynomial. Right? This will be called zeros of the polynomial. -5. Let's take one more example. X minus 5. So if I put x as 5, then I will get 0. So I will say x is equal to 5. If I put x equal to 5, then I will get 0 here. जैसे ही हम इसमें 0 पुट करेंगे, सॉरी 5 पुट करेंगे, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 5 is 0 of the polynomial. Right? It will be called 0 of the polynomial. So for that value of variable for which the polynomial is 0, we'll say that is 0 of the polynomial, right? For that value will be the 0 of the polynomial for which polynomial will get 0. That value will be called 0 of the polynomial. जिस value को put करते ही polynomial 0 हो जाए, right? So now here you are to tell first equation is given, first expression is given, px is equal to 3x plus 1 and x is given -1 upon 3, and you are to tell whether x is equal to -1 upon 3 is 0 of the given polynomial or not. So let's check it. The expression is given here, px is equal to 3x plus 1, x is equal to -1 by 3. Just put the value -1 by 3 is equal to 3 into, just put value -1 upon 3 at the place of x plus 1. Then in multiply, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. It will be -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll say that yes, x is equal to -1 upon 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Right? X is equal to -1 upon 3 is 0 of the given polynomial. Let's try one more. The next one is given, px is equal to 5x minus pi and x is given 4 upon 5. ठीक है, x is given 4/5. Just put x is equal to 4/5. 5 multiply 4/5 minus pi. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. It will be 4 minus 5. Right? As we put x is equal to 4/5, it will be 4 minus 5. It's not equal to 0. So we'll say that 4/5 is not 0 of the given polynomial. Right? Can you try these kind of questions? In second, you have given x equal to 1 and -1. Both number you will check and you will tell whether these numbers are zeros of the polynomial or not, right? And similarly next also. Okay, let's try one more part. Let's try seventh part. Px is equal to 3x square minus 1, x is equal to -1/√3 and 2/√3. Firstly, we'll put x equal to -1/√3 and the expression is 3x square minus 1. And firstly, you will put x equal to -1/√3. Okay, x is given -1/√3 and 2/√3. Firstly, I have taken -1/√3 is equal to 3 multiply -1/√3 square minus 1. सबसे पहले स्क्वायर ओपन कर दो. -1 का स्क्वायर 1, minus will be cancelled because minus and minus it's even. That's why upon √3 square means 3 minus 1. Then you will do multiplication. 3 and 3 cancel. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll say that yes, -1/√3 is 0 of the given polynomial. If I put 2 here, 2/√3. If I put 2/√3, then it will be 3 multiply 2/√3 square minus 1 is equal to 3 multiply 2 square 4, √3 square 3 minus 1. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, is equal to 3. So we will say here 2/√3 is not the 0 of the given polynomial, right? Is this visible? Question number 4 is find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. In question 3rd, it was given, some of the values were given. You were to just check. उसमें पहले आपको सिर्फ चेक करना था. इसमें आपको फाइंड आउट करना है what will be the 0 of the polynomial, right? So first is given x plus 5. Px is equal to x plus 5. Px is equal to x plus 5. What is the 0 of the polynomial? That means that value of x for which px equal to 0. According to definition of the 0 of the polynomial, we'll say here, for what value of x, you have to find out the value of x for which p of x equal to 0. x की ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू है जिसके लिए पूरा का पूरा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाए, right? That will be called 0 of the polynomial. So if you can see easily directly, अगर आप देखते हैं, yes, -5 will be here. -5, if you put here, you will get -5 plus 5 equal to 0. So we'll say that x equal to -5 is the 0 of the polynomial. But you can find it out like this also. If the equation there is given, expression is given typical or lengthy, then you will do it like, आप क्या करोगे, पॉलिनोमियल को ही 0 रख दोगे. ठीक है, और यहाँ से x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लोगे। तो जो x की वैल्यू फाइंड आप आएगी आपके पास, वो जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल हो जाएगी, क्योंकि उसके लिए हमने पूरी पॉलिनोमियल को जीरो रखा था, राइट। x इज इक्वल टू -5। as second is given, px is equal to x minus 5. So what we will do here, we will put x minus 5 is equal to 0. पॉलिनोमियल को ही 0 रख देंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, for which polynomial is 0. x is equal to 5 here. So x equal to 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Like way you can try other parts also. 2x plus 5. Here you will put 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Yes, and x will be minus 5 upon 2. Right? Let's do sixth part. Px is equal to ax. And px, 3x and ax, it will be same. Fifth and sixth part are almost same. So, sixth part is px is equal to ax, where a not equal to 0. क्योंकि a 0 होते ही सी अगर हम ए एक्स को 0 पुट करते हैं, ठीक है, टू फाइंड आउट द 0 ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल, तो व्हाट विल बी एक्स हियर, 0 अपॉन ए। और ए जैसे ही अगर 0 हो जाता है, सो इट्स नॉट डिफाइंड, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि डिनोमिनेटर पे 0 हो। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज गिवन हियर a is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. That means if we put x 0 here, then only we'll get the polynomial 0. सिर्फ x 0 होने पर ही ये possible है. So we will say that x equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, next of the part is given px is equal to cx plus d. C is not equal to 0. C and D are real numbers. Here C and D are real numbers and C not equal to 0. To find out 0 of the polynomial, we will put Cx plus D equal to 0. Then Cx is equal to minus T, right? C will be divided because D is constant here. C and D real numbers it's mentioned. That means they are constant here. D को इधर ले जाओ. 0 minus D minus D. Then take C here. Right hand side it will be minus d upon c. That means if you put x is equal to minus d upon c, then the polynomial will be 0, right? Now exercise is completed. Just this is your homework to complete the exercise 2.2.